Hey guys, it's Don from City Warmth here in Brighton, talking to you from a heat pump installation we have just finished in Shoreham-by-Sea. Now this is a mid-terrace property, which was originally 2 floors, but has had a loft conversion, okay? They contacted us, the homeowners contacted us directly, and we carried out a heat loss through the Geek umbrella. The property has double glazing throughout and 200mm of insulation in the loft, but assumed none in the ground floor or walls as there was nothing listed on the survey. The home has a heat loss of 5.66 kilowatts and already has a pressurised hot water cylinder. We quoted to install a 7 kilowatt aroTHERM plus heat pump whilst making use of the existing hot water cylinder. If it's in good condition and fit for purpose, why spend the extra money to swap it out? The property required no radiator changes, but still had an efficiency guarantee attached to the install of 370%. Now remember, under the Geek guarantee, your efficiency is guaranteed for 5 years. And if it underperforms the guarantee, Geek will fully cover the costs required to make the changes to bring it up to spec. Let's go and take a look inside. So as we go inside the front door, we have the heat pump fuse board. Vaillant require their own fuse board to prevent nuisance tripping whilst ensuring it has a Type B RCD with built-in surge protection. Heading up the stairs now towards the airing cupboard in the first floor bathroom. And here we have it. The existing unvented cylinder, which the homeowner opted to keep as it was more than large enough for their hot water needs, with all the pipework nicely lagged to ensure the heat goes where we want it to. And there's the filling loop and the pressure gauge as it was with the boiler setup. And apparently becoming a City Warmth standard, controls on the inside of the cupboard door with all the relevant manuals neatly tucked away in that folder so they won't get lost between now and next year's service. In the other corner, we have the primary flow and return pipes from the heat pump with a lever strainer on the return and a lever valve on the flow, both located for easy isolation of the heat pump should ever be needed. There's the strainer collecting any sediment that may gather over time. Now, if you remember me saying we swapped no radiators at all as part of this installation, while still guaranteeing a combined heating and hot water efficiency of 370% for 5 years. There were Type 10, Type 11, Type 20, Type 22 radiators in this house. But if you know how much energy each radiator gives out, ensuring the rooms are all warm isn't that hard. There's the Vaillant sensor comfort, or a controller to you and me. Downstairs we even had some column radiators. See, they can work with heat pumps. Don't get me wrong, they're more of a challenge, but they can work. And here we had the main article, the Vaillant aroTHERM plus heat pump. Woo! So there you go guys, that's the full install with the overview for you, all wrapped up, commissioned, and the customer is delighted. If you'd like to have a new heat pump and you live in the Brighton, Hove or any of the surrounding areas, Worthing, New Haven, Haywards Heath, anything in that natural normal kind of oval shape, then give the office at City Warmth a call today on the number below, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.